bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The sharp bus goes round and round, all through the sea.
The sharp bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The sharp bus goes round and round, all through the sea. The sharp bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The sharp bus goes round and round, all through the sea.
The sharp bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The sharp bus goes round and round, all through the sea. The sharp bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The sharp bus goes round and round, all through the sea. The sharp bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The sharp bus goes round and round, all through the sea.
Green and blue chorded is a video effect that combines vibrant green and blue hues with rhythmic, harmonious transitions and overlays. This effect creates a visually striking and dynamic atmosphere that can significantly enhance the visual appeal of the content. Green and blue are colors often associated with nature, tranquil, and relaxation. This effect can evoke feelings of calmness and refreshment, making it ideal for content that aims to soothe or relax the viewer. The use of harmonious color transitions and overlays can create a sense of visual balance and harmony. This makes the video aesthetically pleasing and easy on the eyes, helping to keep the audience engaged. The contrasting yet complementary colors of green and blue help direct the viewer's attention to specific elements within the video. This can be useful for highlighting key information or focal points. Harsh Helium is a video characterized by high-pitched, distorted audio combined with a jittery, chaotic visual overlay. This effect often includes quick, erratic changes in brightness and color, creating an unsettling and intense experience for the viewer. The high-pitched, distorted audio paired with chaotic visuals create a sense of disorientation and discomfort. This can be particularly effective in horror or thriller genres where the color or the goal is to set and unsettle and disturb the audience. This erratic nature of the visuals and audio can significantly heighten tension and anxiety. This makes it a more powerful for scenes that aim to build suspense or convey a sense of urgency and panic. The stark jarring effect leaves a lasting impression on the viewers, making scenes more memorable. It's an excellent choice for moments that need to stand out or leave for a psychological impact. ScaryFlangedSawChorded is a video effect that combines eerie flanged audio with a sawtooth waveform and a visual overlay of disturbing pulsating chords. This effect typically includes dark shifting colors and flickering imagery to create a sense of unease. Combination of unsettling audio and visual elements heightens the sense of fear and tension, making it particularly effective in horror or thriller genres. The flanged audio effect creates a disorienting and alien soundscape, which when paired with the sawtooth waveform can induce a sense of psychological discomfort or dread. The pulsating visual chords add a layer of depth to the atmosphere, making scenes more immersive and intense. This can draw the audience deeper into the narrative and heighten their emotional response.